Did you know that you can use the human design chart to get in alignment and get more clarity on how you should be moving in business? Well, I use the human design chart to understand myself better and get clarity on why I'm here. And disclaimer, I'm not an expert at human design, so I can't go into deep detail, but I am going to use this video to tell you which parts of your chart you can analyze right now. So first things first, you're going to need to know your birth details, your birth date, your birth time, and your place of birth. And then you can go to either one of these websites or apps to get your human design chart. My favorite is the My Human Design app because it really simplifies the chart. If this is your first time looking at human design, or even if it's not, it can be a lot. So I'm going to warn you ahead of time. But it is an amazing tool to understand yourself better in different aspects of your life. Even if you have to take a break and come back to it, please do. Because I promise you, this is going to get you clarity on the work that you're designed to do, how you're built to operate, and how you can align with that. And once you check out your chart, let's understand how the chart goes. So make sure you screenshot this to understand how that chart is going to work for you. Take what you need from this. Just like horoscopes and astrology, you might be wowed by a lot of this information. I know I was. Like, it read me to a T. So some things will start to make sense for you, and then there's going to be some stuff that does not resonate with you. Hopefully you get what you need from this chart to start getting in alignment with the things that you desire and start making intentional decisions about the moves that you need to make in your business. I'm a 6'2" reflector, by the way, the unicorns of the human design. Let me know in the comments what your human design energy and profile type is. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.